my bike shoes for the last 7 years, 6 brands in total. I am going to gladly mention these 6 brands that are one of those recommended by online buyers, and if you like cycling, you should watch this video so you can get an idea. Without further ado, let's start. Tommaso special cycling shoes are made especially for cycling. We have a 100% synthetic sole of very good quality. These shoes lack branding or marketing since this is thought to reduce investment in shoe quality, but for the experience of use, when using it you realize the good quality and comfort for what it was designed. You can also walk with them. It is a good shoe of excellent quality and for daily use in cycling since it has a very well padded sole. It is designed so that it fits on the pedal of the bicycle that you have and you can print force without fear of the pedal slipping. Light and very comfortable. It is for those who are used to traveling long distances with the bicycle. It is what is necessary, and it is comfortable and of quality, and has 1075 positive ratings from users. Tommaso shoes. 2. Shimano SH is a special shoe also for cycling with a Shimano brand synthetic sole. With a special designed for racing bicycles, it has a special sole and straps for easy handling without weighing much on the sole part. It has the special holes that are required in racing bicycles, having positive ratings of 1349 positive ratings, where they mention us that it is very comfortable without problems of pain in the feet, without problems of games in the PES, very fair to the size of the foot. One of the tips for you to buy these shoes online is that you use a measuring tape in millimeters so that you give your size of the foot. Remember that you have to stand up so that it gives the width and length, and so you can correct your measurement. In this model, a small area of the big toe was indicated. Even so, when using it, it is very comfortable and little weight. 3. Nike Super Upcycle is a shoe with a rubber sole with Velcro adjustments, very characteristic of Nike. When you feel them, the rubber under the heel gives you traction for pedaling. It is very fast when installing on the foot and taking it off. This model had few ratings, 46 it could be because of its price, but almost everyone liked its shape and performance. It has attractive colors in light blue with black, white with black, or all black. For Venzo sneakers are for men and women. This shoe is for racing bicycle cyclists. It has 3 straps very well distributed. This model is very commercial. It has its adjustment for the pedal where you can adjust it with a screwdriver. It fits very well with the pedal, gives you security and therefore less exhaustion from a pedal slip, lightweight and comfort on your foot. Here it shows you the models compatible with the existing models of the SPD, SPD SL, and Look Kyo style pedal bicycles. It is therefore one of the best sellers online with up to 4,017 positive ratings. Is a little more expensive than the others, but if it helps to fulfill your objectives. Some of the people who acquired it gave them the appearance of looking very cheap, but when using it they became very comfortable. There have also been errors in the width of the foot. There are people with a foot that is not very wide where they are going to have a bit of play inside the shoe. Again, it is necessary to take the current measurements so that you avoid the calamity of returning your order because it was not your measurement. 5. Fizzle cycling shoes is one of the shoes with more details in its design, since it is known for having a lot of technology and demand in its manufacture. Its design is very inspiring and it is made with microfibers to improve its breathing with its laser perforations and its design that gives you comfort and good action of this shoe, and has a thin fiber on its tongue to let the foot breathe more effectively. This shoe has 753 positive ratings so far. People complain about the narrowness of the shoe. Of new would be to send the real or current measurements. 6. And finally, there is the 510 Freerider Pro. This shoe is special for BMX cycling. That is to say, a mountain bike comes in brown or a combination of white and black. It has a special synthetic sole for BMX, a rubber sole ready to be used on a flat pedal. It has an impact-resistant toe cap to protect your fingers, and it has a quick-drying design and materials that improve comfort, because it is made from recycled bottles. To contribute to the improvement of the environment, it comes with lace closures, with you can try them on any type of mountain. It also has a removable sock-type inner lining, and the tongue, collar and padded insoles to protect your foot. Please, if you liked the video, give me a subscription or a like.